Now we will discuss how chlorine tablets are used to sanitize water. Since chlorination of water is an easy and cheap process, it is widely used by municipal body to sanitize water supplied as drinking water across metropolitan cities. When chlorine is added to water, it kills microorganisms by damaging their cell membrane, cell respiration and DNA activity. Chlorine also oxidizes iron, manganese, hydrogen sulfide and present in water, which are later removed by filtration or sedimentation process. Chlorine eliminates algae and other forms of aquatic life from water. The amount of chlorine required to sanitize depends on impurities present in water. Large quantity of chlorine is required if water has many impurities. The amount of chlorine required to react with all impurities in water is called chlorine demand. Chlorine gas is sold in compressed liquid state, which is heavier than water. When a liquid chlorine is released from its container, it quickly converts into gaseous state. In general, to sanitize water, 1 to 16 mg chlorine is added to 1 liter water. If water quality is very poor, higher concentration of chlorine can be used. Chlorine reacts with water to produce hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite ion, the main disinfecting compounds in chlorinating water. Since chlorine releases hydrogen ion, water becomes more acidic. The pH value of water decreases. If pH value of water is less than 6.5, hypochlorous acid dominates and water becomes acidic by nature. If pH value of water is more than 8.5, hypochlorite ion dominates and water becomes alkaline by nature. Chlorination of water kills bacteria and virus, but not all waterborne pathogens, namely protozoan cyst, which are responsible for serious illness. Chlorine is toxic not only for microorganisms but for humans also. Higher concentration of chlorine in water may cause acute health issues such as irritation to eyes, dry or itchy skin, stomach aches, vomiting and diarrhea, etc. Since chlorine tablets are cheaper comparatively, they are widely used for water purification, ignoring health threats. Pools are sanitized by a variety of chlorine-based compounds such as chlorine gas, sodium hypochlorite, calcium hypochlorite, lithium hypochlorite, and chlorinated isocyanurates. When any of these compounds come in contact with water, they release hypochlorous acid, an active sanitizing agent to sanitize water. Now, question arises here, why pools sometimes have chlorine or chemical smell? The well-managed pools do not have chlorine smell. Anyway, chlorine smell from pool does not come from chlorine gas, but from a chemical compound called chloramine. Chloramine is formed by the combination of chlorine gas and aisles or urine, which enter the pools from swimmer's body. Chloramine is removed from pool by a process called shock treatment or superchlorination. It is a process in which extra chlorine is added to pool to destroy ammonia and other organic compounds which combine with chlorine to form chloramines. Another sanitizing agent used for purification of water is calcium hypochlorite. It is calcium salt of hypochlorous acid produced by dissolving chlorine gas in a mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. It is a white corrosive solid sold in tablet or granular form. It should always be stored in dry area and kept away from organic materials. If it comes in contact with organic materials such as petrol, diesel, wet cloths, it causes explosion. When calcium hypochlorite comes in contact with moisture, it absorbs moisture and releases toxic chlorine gas. In comparison to chlorine gas, less amount of calcium hypochlorite is used. Only 0.5 to 5 mg calcium hypochlorite is required per liter water. Since calcium hypochlorite in water produces calcium ion and hypochlorite ion, pH value of water increases and water becomes more alkaline. Note that both calcium hypochlorite and chlorine gas in water produces same type of residue. Next is sodium hypochlorite. It is the sodium salt of hypochlorous acid. It is produced by adding chlorine gas to sodium hydroxide solution. It is a yellow color liquid and has a strong chlorine smell. Since it is extremely corrosive by nature, it is stored in cool, dark and dry place. Sodium hypochlorite cannot be stored for more than a month as it decomposes automatically on long standing. Only 0.2 to 2 mg sodium hypochlorite is required per liter water. Sodium hypochlorite in water produces sodium ion and hypochlorite ion. pH value of water increases and water becomes alkaline. To obtain hypochlorous acid, which is more effective disinfectant, pH value of water is decreased.